As you collect research and materials for your research paper, you may encounter three different types of articles. Articles are often a major source of information used for college research. The three most common types of articles come from scholarly, trade, and popular journals. Each of these types can be found by searching in library databases or the ECU Library's OneSearch Discovery Service. Let's take a look at scholarly articles first. The main characteristic of a scholarly journal article is that it is peer-reviewed, meaning that scholars in the same field have reviewed and approved the article to be published in the journal. The peer review process is far more rigorous than the editorial process of, say, a magazine. You may see these peer-reviewed or scholarly journal articles referred to by other names as well, such as refereed or academic. The articles you encounter in scholarly journals will usually feature long article titles and writing that's on a postgraduate reading level. Scholarly articles presume that their readers are already familiar with that discipline's vocabulary and concepts. The article author's credentials are provided for the reader, including degrees held by the author and the university or institution where they are employed. Scholarly articles contain an abstract, a paragraph summary of the article's content. The audience for scholarly journal articles is other scholars, researchers, and students working or studying in the field. The body of the article will include a substantial number of in-text citations. At the end of the article, you will find a list of works cited by the author, sometimes called the references or bibliography. Most databases have a checkbox called a limiter that will allow you to view only peer-reviewed articles in your search results. A second type of article you will find in your research are from professional trade journals. Trade journal articles are written for those actively working in a field. Articles in trade publications focus on news and current issues in the profession. Readers will find profession-focused commentary, best practices, and professional profiles in a trade journal. The credentials of the article authors can vary widely, including content written by active researchers and professionals, as well as the work of in-house or freelance journalists. Compared to most scholarly articles, trade publication articles are relatively short and do not usually contain references or bibliography or in-text citations. Many library databases have a special limiter when you search to help you find trade articles in your field. The last type of article you may encounter in your search are those from popular periodicals. These include general interest magazines like Popular Mechanics and Newsweek. Popular periodicals are printed on glossy paper and typically include a lot of pictures. Expect popular periodicals to contain numerous advertisements and for the articles to be fairly short. The authors are normally journalists who do not have scholarly expertise. No references will be included in most cases. The audience is the general public, and the writing is at a high school reading level. Many databases use a special icon to show if something is a periodical, or will include a limiter that allows you to search only through popular periodical articles. And remember, if you need help evaluating or identifying a periodical type, ask a librarian.